In this video, we are going to learn how to create a project. So let's begin. First, open your File Explorer and go to the address where you want to store your project. So I am storing my project in local disk C. So over there, create a new folder named project. I am giving the name project. You can give it anything you want. So inside that, create a new text document and just save it as it is. You can also name it if you want. Then open this document, and first I will save my HTML document. So go to Save As, write the name of your HTML document. I am naming it as index, and don't forget to add the extension .html and save. Now I will create another folder named resources, and in this folder I will add all the other files except my HTML file. So all the other files include the CSS files, the images, whatever I am going to require for my web page except the HTML document. So another folder, I will name it as resources, and inside that again create a new text document, save it as it is, then open it, save as. Here we are going to store a CSS file, and I will name it as style.css. .css is the extension. Save. If you have any images to show on your web page, you can add them over here. Then open your code editor. So now your project folder will look like this. Inside project folder there is an HTML document, and there is another folder resources, and in that we have saved our CSS file. So now in your code editor, go to File, open folder, and select your project folder. Select folder. You will see that all the files that you have stored in that project folder will appear over here. So first we will start with our HTML file. And I will just copy a simple code. And then click Ctrl S to save it. Then I will go to the resources folder and open CSS file, and over here as well I will copy a simple code. Then Ctrl S to save it. Now you have to be very careful about the address that you give in your HTML document of the CSS file. So here I have written style.css, but actually my CSS file is in the folder resources, and inside that there is a CSS file. So I have to change the address to resources/style.css. If you don't do this and you try to open your web page, you will see that there's not going to be any styling to your web page, because the address that you have provided in the HTML document is not correct. So let's open this website. So there's no styling applied to this page because the address that you have given is not correct. So let's go and change the address and make it correct. Resources /style.css, Control S. And now if I refresh my page, you will see that the colors have changed because now we have provided the correct address. So that is how you create a project. And just be careful with the address that you provide in your HTML document. I hope you have learned how to create a project. Thank you.